10 Game-Changing Marketing Strategies for Accounting Firms. Plan your success. Start with a clear marketing plan. Set goals, analyze your strengths, and find opportunities to leverage for growth. Define your brand. Create a unique brand that speaks to your clients' needs with authentic messaging and a memorable logo. Boost your visibility. Ensure your website is user-friendly and mobile responsive. Optimize your online presence to attract more clients. Content is king. Position your firm as an industry leader with content marketing. Share informative blog posts, case studies, and success stories. Use marketing automation. Save time by automating email marketing, social media posting, ad campaigns, and even client communications. Engage on LinkedIn and Twitter. Boost your professional presence on LinkedIn and Twitter. Share insights and connect with industry peers and clients. Networking and partnerships. Collaborate with like-minded businesses to unlock new opportunities and elevate your firm's success. Referral programs equals growth. Encourage client referrals with incentives. Your satisfied clients can be the best marketers for your business. Data-driven success. Make decisions based on data. Monitor key metrics, use predictive analytics, and keep refining your strategy. New-gen technologies equals efficiency. Clients favor firms leveraging modern technologies like cloud and AI. For example, hosting QuickBooks streamlines processes and boosts real-time communication. What marketing strategies are you using to attract clients? Marketing is an ongoing journey. Keep adapting, and your firm will thrive.